You know, in life, there's a lot to get excited for. In this case, look at this. A freaking spoiler for the 3. This bad boy. I wanted to find one that went edge to edge with kind of an aggressiveness to it. So let's unbox this real quick. You know what I love about these videos that I'm doing right now? Is, you guys know I've been doing YouTube for like 10 years. And there are certain strategies you use to be a content creator. I've thrown it all out the window. And I'm literally doing things because it makes me really, really happy. In this case, this huge spoiler. Let's just take it off real quick.
Man, I was excited when I got this, and as you guys can tell, it's cool. Like, if you guys were to buy a 3, put a spoiler on. It just makes it look so much better. It wasn't crazy expensive. I'll link it in the Amazon for you guys, or the description for you guys. Really easy to install. There's prep to service, as you'll see me do in a little bit. But if you guys are joining for the first time, welcome to the channel. I've been doing this Tesla Model 3 build series, and I've been having a lot of fun with it. I've built many cars throughout my life, but for some reason this one gives me a lot of enjoyment, which I don't know why, but I'm just going to go with it because I really love it. And also, if you guys are looking for a new Tesla, please use my code, my referral link. We both get 1,000 free supercharging miles if you guys haven't heard about it. But anyways, let's get back to the install. Let's do it.
Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Let's just like cold fit this. Oh my gosh. It looks so different. Edge to edge. Right about there. Sits nice and even. Wow. I'm good with that. Oh my gosh. It went from looking like a basic car to some ridiculous guy that probably was a racer once upon a time. Holy. Before I stick this on, let me just show you guys. The quality is actually really good. I'll link this in the description. Got it on Amazon. And it looks really, really good. It is just shy of the corner. So let's say you have less than an 1/8 inch there. If you go over here, see? So you can meet halfway. It's almost to the edge. But it's actually really nice. It fits really well, follows the curve just right. You guys know, even with the GTR, I love like the duckbill look, and this makes it look mighty aggressive. Look at that. So you guys, okay, envision this, right? Take a mental picture, remove it. There you go, mental picture. See? All right. One more time, mental picture. Look at that. That's nice. Went inside, grabbed some painter's tape so I can line it up. I marked off where the edge of the little spoiler will be in the top portion, and it should be like fairly centered. They added some alcohol wipes, so you're gonna wipe all this down, make sure it's nice and clean, and then apply the spoiler. This right here will be one of the most important steps that you take because it's prep. That way it's nice and clean, and the thing can adhere to it. I also already cleaned this once prior, but now I'm just using the wipes they provided also. Get it really nice and clean.
All right, some tricks here. I peeled off the whole thing. Don't do it. Peel it off just enough so you can grab onto it and pull it off as you set it on the trunk. It's a lot easier because it allows you to reposition. 2 people always highly suggested, but as usual, I'm always solo on this one. So line it up with the tape that you actually put down, and then just lay it down, then start peeling, and then set it in. So I've had it on for about a week or so since this video, and for me, I noticed that it came up a little bit, and I don't know why. It could be just a bad batch of double-sided tape, but what I did do to solve this was I clamped it down when I was outside, just hanging outside. I clamped it down with a ratchet, and I was able to get it to seal a little bit longer. So if you guys have that option, do it. Also, you could like tape it down with like, you know, blue painter's tape for a bit. Whatever works to keep it down. But for the most part, it's been on the car. It looks beautiful. It's such an inexpensive mod for you guys to do, and it completely changed the look of the car. They do offer smaller ones, so you don't have to go as extreme as this one, but the small one just looks so OEM, and this one just looks like, you know, kind of aggressive, and I really like it.
So big word of advice when you're putting this on is line it up dry, measure out the corners on both sides to make sure. This is pretty close. Get a center line down, lay a piece of tape right across both, slice it. That way you have a nice line that goes across. And when you set it down, you're pretty much just lining up this edge right here. And then this thing should lay out perfectly. I use my fingers to kind of measure the gap from this side, and my left hand would be on this side. But then I laid it down like this. that center line is really helpful. So clean it off real well, put it down, stick it down, and pray that it doesn't fly off when you're driving Mach speed. Dude, let's appreciate this beauty real quick. Oh my gosh, it looks so crazy now. Something so small, that's what she said, is so good. That's what she said. Wow. Here, check out the view from underneath. Ooh, that's the money shot. Right here. Money. It looks kind of ridiculous without the rear diffuser, but don't worry guys, it's coming. Dude, coming up to it like this, look at this. Bruh, it looks so much better, it looks so much more mean. Oh, I freaking love it. Do you guys like it? Because I like it. Hey, if you guys want this, I'll link it in the description. Bada bing, bada boom. That is cool. They make smaller ones that are roughly about here to here. The lip is way less aggressive, but I like that one. If you guys like this video, please give it a like, a thumbs up, and all the good stuff. Next video, let's do some interior parts next. Let's get it.
Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Man, I've been enjoying making these videos like crazy. And if you guys watch my Instagram, you kind of know what I'm talking about. I have a lot of videos. Like this is a previous video that I did when I took off the hubcaps, the aero covers they call them. That video went viral, which is kind of crazy, like 4-point-something million views. Super simple. But that changed the look dramatically, and that's pretty much free for most owners. Just remove that cap and you're pretty much done. The lug nut covers that I bought were from Evanex. You'll see it in the next clip right here. Shoot them a message or go onto the website and you'll be able to get those super cheap. But then it makes the car look not so raw. See, just those black covers right there. And then a bunch of interior parts. So if you guys are looking for anything specific that haven't posted a video on it, but it's on my Instagram, I have a link down in the description called Linktree. That one has all the products listed out really simple and clean for you guys to refer to. For my referral code, obviously it's there too if you guys want to grab one of those. Let's switch gears for a second. And you guys know I share a lot of deep personal stuff with you guys, and I'm sharing this towards the end of this video because I know most people don't watch it. And so my brother is getting out of prison on early release, and this is significant to us is because my brother is it's bad for my mom's health. I don't know how else to put it, but when he's home, my mom gets really ill because he stresses her out. So as you guys are watching this video, I'm probably in Sacramento rushing up there to take care of my mom, kind of figure out logistics for her. But that's kind of the news that I didn't say on my Instagram that I was going to say. But yeah, that is what it is. And if you're listening to the end of this video, thank you so much, because I want to share these things, but I don't want to share it with everybody. That I don't know how else to put it, but you guys stick to the end. I know you guys are loyal. Yeah, I know you guys are really interested in my life, and I share it with you guys. So thank you once again, and you know who you guys are. Appreciate you guys a ton. Till next time, I'll keep you guys updated. See ya.